Firstly, grab out a beautiful makeup purse of your choice and make sure that it should have a minimal storage capacity, and I picked this one and it has enough storage capacity. And the first product that I include in my bag is sunscreen lotion, and here I am using biotic sunscreen lotion with SPF 40 which protect your face from sun. Everyone should have sunscreen definitely from your preferable brand because this helps us from the tanning. And the second product that I include in my bag is moisturizing lotion. Here I am using Pond's moisturizer, and you can have your own preferable moisturizer from your favorite brands. And this moisturizer maintains your face moisture that makes your face instantly glow. And the next product is BB or CC cream that might suit your skin tone. Here I am using Pond's BB cream. This is useful to brighten up your face tone. And the next product that I include in my bag is primer. This primer acts as a barrier on your face and protects from the harmful chemicals, and this makes our makeup long lasting. Here I am using NY Bay primer. And the next product that I include in my bag is concealer. This concealer is useful to cover your scars and marks on your face. This makes free from marks. It is better to choose your concealer that might suit your skin tone. Here I am using NY Bay concealer. Nextly, I am including three most useful products in my bag, that is an eyebrow pencil, sketch eyeliner and kajal. These products are completely related to eye makeup. And here I am using Ads Brown Eye Brown Pencil, Eyetex Sketch Eyeliner and Maybelline Kajal. And this is the three or the most major products that gives you better look on your face. Next, I'm going to include the application products, that is blender and few makeup brushes in my bag. And the next product that I'm going to include is empty water spray bottle. It is used to spray water on your face after application of BB or CC cream and compact powder, and just by using a towel tap the water on your face. This makes your foundation long lasting. So that I use this water spray, and here I just going to fill a water in this normal water in this water spray bottle, and I just spray on my face after the applying of the BB or CC cream and the powder. And the next product that I'm going to include is mascara, which gives an brightening effect of our lashes, and here I'm using Maybelline mascara. And also I'm going to include Eyetex Dazzler eyeliner, which gives an stroking effect on our eyes. And the next product I'm going to include is three more products, that is lip gradient or lipstick, lip balm and lip liner. Here I'm using the Maybelline lip gradient of shade Mauve and the Maybelline lip balm and the Leo lip liner, and you can also have your own preferable brands. Here I'm using these brands and you can have your own preferable brands. And the next product that I'm going to include is eyelash curler, and this is used to give the lifting effect of our rear lashes. And the next product is super cool product I'm going to include is eyeshadow palette. Here I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette of 10 shades. I'm going to using this as an eyeshadow and highlighters, and this is all the basic colors which are being useful for every parties. I'm going to use all these 10 shades. And the last product that I'm going to include is compact powder, and this is the brand from Maybelline White Fresh. Now I'm just going to organize all these products in my bag, and finally these are the products that you need to have in your makeup bag. Okay, let's see. I'm going to list out all the products that I included in my makeup bag, and also I'll provide links of those products in the description box. Once check out the description box to know more. Thanks for watching. Hope so you love this episode. Bye for now.